Hello everyone, welcome back again, and today one more video, and today I bring you another kit from ICM. This is 135 scale, and the model kit number is the 35583. Right, this is a World War II German light radio communication car. You don't see this too much on the market, and for those who like communications vehicles, this is a really good one. I'm going to open this and of course show you what we got on the inside, and you can see here on the sides something. Oops, you can't see. Let's open this. Okay, I need to grab a better blade. This blade it's not so good right now. And I have lots of blades. I don't know why I don't put new blades on this. It's just stupid. so many types around this. Okay, but this type is what ECM puts for you guys. For security, we have all the things right here. Now, as you can see, and the first look on the box, you can see it came always on a bag. All the pieces are in the bag, right? And we got here the instructions, and any of the decals are inside of the manual. Right, so let's start seeing the manual. All right, here, okay. So we got here some of the story of the vehicle. We got here all the speed, the seats, the empty weight, the lanes, the wind. So we got lots of things, and we got here the colors. We got here for Rebel and Tamiya, but we got here, it's nice, we got here the names. And for that, if you use a different kind of paint, if you use Jimenez, you can send me a message and I will say all of this you are going to need. Now, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 sprue. Okay, we got the C sprue 2 times, okay, because of the wheels and the doors. And we got something, I like it so far. Let's see. On this kit we need, you can see, we need to put the chassis. Oh, I think, okay, this long piece, nice. You don't have too much trouble, just these ones. You can see this cover of the end. We got here the springs, the direction, and maybe, like I see, I don't know, we can steer the wheels on one side or another. You just see that on the construction, right? Transmission, nice. We got here for the muffler. I don't think this has the muffler. It's maybe in the middle. Okay, it's covered on this. We got this for the wheels too. Okay, dry shaft right there. The motor, correct. And we are going to see all the details. Of course, you can do much more on the details of these. This, I think it's air filter. Okay. So we don't. This is not just one piece, right? I think this is the gas tank. And like this. You see this symbol, it's required to cut this piece, and I think this is just on this side, right? The wheels, of course, these wheels, I think it's in plastic. not rubber. You can see the front of the dashboard, panels right there. So I'm seeing this part for the first time. I saw this assembled from a friend of mine and it is fantastic. Okay, nice. You can see they put the gas. So far I like it. So we got here some rifles you can put here on the back. Maybe two, yes. One on the front and one on the back. So this is different. You got just one seat on the back because this is only going to be for communications. Nice. Got here the cover. Nice. We got decals for the radio. Okay, let's give a different level of details. Some tools, the headlights. Normally these things I put that at the end. The front lights I don't have too much problem putting there, but these ones I just put at the end. I paint the side and then I will put at the end. Okay. And yes, I think it's easy. It's not complicated to keep. And the final assembly, of course. Now we got here one version. Let's see if we have another version. Okay, we got I think 3 versions and 4 versions, right? We got this one. It's from the 29th Artillery Regiment in France, June 1914. We got this in Smolensk, Russia, in August 1941. We got this in Russia too in September of 1941. And this one is from Ramki Brigade in Libya in 1942. Okay, we got this version with for the desert. I like it. So, and we got here to the decals. Okay. Normally the decals from ICM, they are really good. So normally it's going to be here on the first page. Now let's see what we got here on the inside. Let's open this, careful. I like these bags. Let's remove this. And as you can see, we got all the sprues right here. So the first one I got here is for the clear parts. You can see for the windows and the glass from the headlights right there. Nice. We got here one. So let's see the difference of this. Okay, we got here the 2 equal screws. It comes with the rifles, with the springs, some canister for fuel, the wheels. The wheels, I think they are good. They are acceptable, I think. Yeah, some hooks right there, some handles, so many little pieces. Okay, but this is going to give you a really nice details on the models. Okay, so 2 screws of that. We got here now another wheel, and we got some parts of the motor. You can see here the fan. We got here the muffler. It's protected all along this one, so really nice. ICM, how you do it? Yes, I like it. So we got here another screw, and this one is for the sides. The top, on the top we got this cover, we got here the radio and the canvas right there. With the side I think we got two different, on the other we got here one more rifle, the seats, one seat right here, oh nice, the antenna, but this one it's horrible to clean when we make the cut. Now the big sprue, we got the chassis right there, the top of the vehicle where it's going to be. We got here more from more canvas. We got here the pieces from the motor. We got here another pieces, and I like it a lot. You can see they are really nice, the details on this, really nice. So nice construction. The parts are almost clean. I think we don't have big problems here, and they make a nice thing. They protect some parts. They are very easy to break, like here the windshields. I don't know where it's going to be, this one, but they are really nice protected with this big plastic right there. So really nice, I like it a lot. So the German light radio communication car, okay, I'm not going to try to pronounce this, okay, because I don't want to make a big mistake in German. So it's KFZ2, and it's my German friends, you know what I talk. When I am in Germany, I have big problems with my language, my mother language. Now I speak Portuguese and English, but the German is complicated for me. So guys, if you like it, since you have any answers, any questions, so just ask me here on YouTube or on my Facebook, no problem, and I will answer, of course, if I know. I hope everyone it's good, and we see you on the next video or on the next review. Okay, so bye guys, and thank you very much for watching.